Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create random folders using batch scripting. First of all, I have opened my Notepad++ where I write code, so I turn off the echo. The next line, it can be done with some 2 lines of code. I create a variable called x. It's a variable, it's just like variable. I'm typing MD and random. This random keyword will give you random numbers. Okay, then I'm gonna save it as folder dot bat. Okay, then what I need to do, it has to be done in a loop. When you run this code, when you run this code, it will make a random number. Then you need to go to x, which means you need to jump to x. It's just like jumping. For example, this will never end. When it's hit this line, it will create a folder with a random number. Then once it hit this line, it will jump over here. So this will keep running until we close the program. So if I open this program, it's gonna create lots of folder on my desktop. So I'm gonna put this inside a folder and I'm gonna execute it. So I'm gonna open it. So now you can see it's creating lots of folders. Okay, now you can see it creating a bunch of folders. Okay, and you can see it creates more than 1,500 folders on my computers. Okay, this is how the power of this script. This script is a malicious script. You can write this script. You can give this script to anyone. You can give this script to your friend or anyone you want to make their computer zombie. So if you give this script to anyone, once they open it, it will automatically create a bunch of folders on their computer. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.